Hey, I know we all want to look our best. This is Angela, and today's show is called Exilis for Face. Unlock your ageless beauty today. And trust me, it's juicier than a ripe pineapple. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing the face you had 5 years ago without going under the knife. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick with me because today's breakthrough technology makes that possible, and I'm going to tell you exactly how. Let's get real about why traditional face treatments often leave us wanting more. You know the drill. Expensive creams that barely make a dent, painful procedures that keep you hiding at home for weeks, and don't even get me started on the risks of surgery. Seriously, I've seen patients spend thousands on treatments that gave them results that lasted about as long as my last diet, which is to say, not very long at all. But here's where things get exciting. Enter Exilis, the game changer in non-invasive facial rejuvenation. This brilliant technology uses targeted radiofrequency to wake up your skin's natural collagen production. Think of it as sending your face to the gym, except you're lying back relaxing while it does all the heavy lifting. And the best part? Just call 212-799-1411 to learn more about how it can work for you specifically. Now, what should you expect during treatment? First off, forget everything you know about painful cosmetic procedures. Exilis sessions take about 30 minutes, perfect for your lunch break, and feel like a warm massage. No downtime means you can head straight back to your daily routine. The results develop gradually, so nobody's going to ask if you've had work done. They'll just wonder why you look so refreshingly well rested. Let me tell you about Sarah, a 45-year-old executive who came to me last year. She'd tried every cream, serum, and treatment under the sun, but still wasn't seeing the results she wanted. After just 4 Exilis sessions, her jawline was more defined, her skin was firmer, and this is my favorite part, she actually started taking selfies again. Her exact words were, "Angela, I haven't felt this confident since my 30s. You know what's really cool? Sarah's results aren't unique. I've seen countless patients achieve similar transformations, and it never gets old watching their confidence bloom. Whether it's reducing those stubborn jowls, tightening up the neck area, or smoothing out those pesky lines around the eyes, Exilis delivers. Your first step toward that same transformation is super simple. Just call 212-799-1411 to schedule your free consultation. We'll assess your unique needs and design a treatment plan that works for you. Most patients see their best results after 3 to 4 sessions, and maintenance is easy peasy. Remember, aging is inevitable, but looking your age, that's optional. With Exilis, you're not fighting nature, you're just giving it a gentle nudge in the right direction. And unlike surgery, there's no commitment to dramatic changes that you might regret later. It's all about enhancing your natural beauty, not changing who you are. This has been Angela on behalf of PrecisionAestheticsMD.com. Until next time, have a wonderful day, and remember, if you find yourself with unwanted wrinkles, let's see what we can do to help. Later.